Hey guys, today we're going to be making a dalgona. A dalgona is made of whipping equal amounts of instant coffee, granulated sugar, and water until silk smooth creamy. And pour over hot or cold milk of your choice. A dalgona can be a great choice of drink for anyone who likes coffee this summer. For 1 or 2 servings of dalgona, we'll need 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, a mixing bowl, and a hand mixer or whisk. Let's begin! In the mixing bowl, combine instant coffee, sugar, and water. Begin mixing until the mixture turns creamy and foamy. Fill the glass with ice and milk of your choice. Put the coffee mixture over ice and milk. That's it! For a delicious appeal, you can top it off with cocoa powder or chocolate. Ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!